And if you will open your heart, mind, and soul wide to Spirit, you will learn of it in your own heart. There you find that your very own Father speaks to you. No matter how wayward or thoughtless you have thought yourself, you will find that your Father loves you devotedly and tenderly the instant you turn to God within. The anointing which you have of God abides in you, and you need not the teaching of any man. Is this not a resurrection from the old thought? Ye need not that any man teach you. It is only necessary to receive the anointing from God that has always been yours. You may accept others as brother helpers, but you are always instructed and led from within. The truth is there for you, and you will find it. That truth always teaches that humanity is a complete unit. Not a unity, but a great unit. Combined with God, they are the great one. Humanity is more than a brotherhood. It is one man, just as a vine and its branches are one vine. No part or one unit can be separated from the whole. The Christ's prayer is that they all may be one. He that hath done it unto the least of these my brethren hath done it unto me. Now you know the Christ for whom the whole family in heaven and on earth is named. The truth is, all is one. One spirit, one body. The great Lord body of all humanity. The great love, light, life of God completely amalgamates that body into one complete whole.